National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Hancock County, northern Marion County, southwestern Hamilton County, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Zionsville, or 9 miles north of Indianapolis, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Carmel around 7:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Broad Ripple and Indiana State Fairgrounds around 7:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Castleton around 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Warren Park, Geist Reservoir, Indianapolis, Lawrence, Cumberland, and McCordsville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 between mile markers 200 and 202. Interstate 70 between mile markers 86 and 98. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Hamilton, Hancock, and Marion. And now a look at your forecast.